Hi there! Welcome to Debutify. In this quick video, I'll walk you through setting up the synced variant image widget, helping you create a seamless and engaging shopping experience for your customers. This widget automatically selects the correct product variant when a customer clicks on a corresponding thumbnail image. For example, when they click on a color or a style image. This ensures the product form updates instantly and helps customers easily recognize which variant they're viewing. All right. Let's dive in. Accessing the widget. To access the synced variant image widget, open your customized Debutify theme. Go to Collection, select the product list, and choose Product. To enable this option, go to Theme Setting, Professional Widgets, and toggle the Synced Variant Image widget. Once enabled, this widget automatically selects the correct product variant when customers click on a thumbnail image, making browsing faster, smoother, and more intuitive. And that's it. You've successfully set up the synced variant image widget and made it easier for shoppers to explore your product options with confidence. Thanks for watching, and happy customizing with the Debutify theme.